The next one says, obsessed with my asshole.
That's crazy. Okay.
Obsessed with my asshole to where we couldn't do anything without him insisting on touching it. Oh, and he would forcefully shove his fingers in my mouth after, despite telling him not to.
No.
Literally fighting him when he tried. Let me touch your booty, baby.
Yo, you dance. Let me touch. Babe, can I touch your anal, please? I can't start without touching it.
That's crazy.
Just like one poke, then you can put it in your mouth.
That I promise you.
I'm smacking you up.
How
I'm
many
leaving.
times did this happen before they broke up?
When did she start realizing that this is the thing that he does?
Exactly how many times? When did the pattern pick up? Like
Exactly.
every time we do something, he's going straight for
He's
my
going
bumhole.
straight.
Man, like a booty hole, bro.
Look, man likes what a man
The fact-
likes,
but
bro.
the fact is, he puts it.
In a mouth forcefully. So you're telling me he puts it in?
Yes. Yes.
Crazy. You know, like,
Excuse me.
look, I know this happened to you now. As a bra.
You're speaking
don't
to
like
you,
it.
not me, guys. Come get
You
this
don't
twisted.
like it when your girl put a finger up the butt. Girls love to do this. Like, the girlfriends love to do this. They take their finger and they just think it's fine to put it by your bum and ha ha ha. It's not a joke, bro. It's not a joke. I had nightmares about this. I'm not gonna lie. I was sleeping, and I was laying on my stomach and I literally pinched now because I had a dream of someone putting a finger in my bum and I couldn't do anything about it because I was laying in a position of I was literally
You were vulnerable.
I was so vulnerable in that position. I couldn't even like shove it loose, man. Pause. Shove it loose is crazy. But nah, girls, stop that. I mean, I know you think you're joking and it's fun. It's not fun for us.
Not a joke, bro.
It's not a
Stay
joke,
away from my
bro.
bumhole.
Stay away, please.
Stay
Anyway.
away from my ass in general.